Hello, and a warm welcome back to Fusion Blenz. We're thrilled to have you with us as we continue our journey into the world of natural wellness. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of natural anti-inflammatory herbs. These are nature's own healers, right from your kitchen, that can help manage pain and inflammation with their potent properties. You'll be surprised to see how everyday herbs and spices can transform into powerful remedies. So, buckle up and get ready to explore the incredible botanical world and discover natural solutions for pain. Have you ever wondered how you can naturally reduce inflammation and pain? Imagine harnessing the power of nature, using the very herbs and spices that may already reside in your pantry to combat discomfort and inflammation. We're about to embark on an exciting journey through the botanical world, exploring the top 5 herbs that have proven their worth in the fight against pain. So, if you're ready for a natural approach to wellness, stay tuned as we count down the top 5 natural anti-inflammatory herbs that can help you manage pain. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have ginger. This fiery root, renowned for its distinctive flavor, packs a punch when it comes to combating inflammation. It's all thanks to compounds known as gingerols, which are scientifically proven to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These properties make ginger a natural ally in the fight against pain. You can incorporate ginger into your diet in a variety of ways, from sipping on a warm cup of ginger tea to adding a zesty flair to your meals with freshly grated ginger. The options are endless. Moreover, several scientific studies vouch for ginger's efficacy in reducing inflammation and pain. One study, for instance, found that participants who consumed ginger experienced less muscle pain after engaging in exercise. The benefits of ginger extend beyond its anti-inflammatory properties, making it a versatile herb in your health arsenal. So, it's no surprise that ginger makes it to our list of top 5 natural anti-inflammatory herbs. Coming in at number 4, we have turmeric. This golden spice is not just for adding flavor to your curry. It's a powerhouse of health benefits, thanks to its active ingredient, curcumin. Curcumin is a bioactive substance that fights inflammation at the molecular level. It's so potent that some studies even compare its efficacy to some anti-inflammatory drugs without the side effects. But how can you incorporate turmeric into your diet? It's easier than you might think. You can add it to your soups, stews, or even sprinkle it over your roasted vegetables. And let's not forget the trendy turmeric latte, also known as golden milk. A delightful blend of plant-based milk, turmeric, and a touch of sweetener, it's a delicious way to enjoy this anti-inflammatory hero. Turmeric, a spice you might already have in your kitchen, could be a potent tool in your pain management arsenal. At number 3, we have a popular beverage, green tea. An everyday delight for many, green tea is more than just a comforting drink. It's a potent anti-inflammatory powerhouse, packed with bioactive compounds that can help alleviate pain. Green tea is rich in a type of antioxidants known as catechins. Among these, epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, is the most potent. Research shows that EGCG can reduce inflammation by inhibiting the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines and enzymes. Moreover, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition Biochemistry highlighted that green tea's anti-inflammatory properties could be beneficial for conditions such as arthritis. It's not just about soothing your taste buds, but also soothing your joints. Green tea is like a warm hug in a cup, with the added benefit of its anti-inflammatory properties. So the next time you're reaching for a hot beverage, consider green tea. It's a soothing drink that could also soothe your inflammation and pain. Just missing the top spot at number 2, we have rosemary. This fragrant herb is not just a kitchen favorite, but also a potent natural anti-inflammatory agent. Rosemary is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help combat inflammation and pain. The beauty of rosemary is in its versatility. It can be used in a variety of ways to reap its benefits. You can add it to your meals, brew it into a soothing tea, or even use its essential oil for a calming massage. Some studies even suggest that rosemary may help with headaches and muscle pain. So, the next time you're in pain, remember to reach out for this aromatic herb. Rosemary, not just a kitchen staple, but a natural pain reliever. And finally, at number 1, we have white willow bark. Its story begins centuries ago when our ancestors tapped into its natural powers for pain relief and inflammation reduction. This humble tree bark, white and unassuming, holds a secret weapon, salicin. Similar to the active ingredient in aspirin, salicin is a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that can soothe aches and pains. But unlike synthetic drugs, white willow bark comes with a host of other health benefits too. It's not just about pain relief, It's about promoting overall wellness. White willow bark, nature's answer to your pain and inflammation. Remember, always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new herbal regimen. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing insights into the world of natural wellness. By hitting that subscribe button and turning on notifications, you'll never miss out on our latest content. From exploring the wonders of nature's pharmacy to discovering new ways to boost your health, our channel is your one-stop source for everything you need to lead a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. So don't forget to subscribe and join our ever-growing community of wellness enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more exciting content on Fusion Blenz. Now we have a question for you. Which of these herbs and spices is your favorite anti-inflammatory ingredient? Is it the spicy ginger, the vibrant turmeric, the soothing green tea, the aromatic rosemary, the pain-relieving white willow bark? Or perhaps you have another natural wellness secret up your sleeve. We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Share your favorite anti-inflammatory herbs and why you love them in the comments section below. Your insights might just inspire someone else to try something new and discover the benefits of natural wellness. We can't wait to hear from you. Until next time, stay healthy and stay natural with Fusion Blenz.